Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we navigate through Dubai's ever-evolving real estate market together. Today, we have something extremely important and useful for both tenants and landlords. We're diving into the world of Ejari, specifically how to renew your Ejari contract right from your phone. But first, let's quickly unpack what Ejari actually is. Ejari, a program initiated by the Real Estate Regulatory Agency, or RERA, stands as a central registry for all tenancy contracts. This system ensures transparency, legal clarity, and protection for both landlords and tenants. Now, knowing what Ejari is, let's move to the crux of today's video, renewing your Ejari contract. And guess what? The process has been simplified through the Dubai REST app. No more waiting in long lines or running from office to office. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Get the app. Download and install the Dubai REST app on your phone. It's your gateway to a hassle-free renewal process. Step 2. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on RERA. From there, select Register Ejari Contract. This is your starting point. Step 3. Fill in the necessary details about your tenancy agreement. The app is user-friendly, so this should be a breeze. Step 4. Next up, you'll need to attach scanned copies of the required documents. Make sure you have everything ready for a smooth process. Step 5. Lastly, it's time to pay the fees. You can settle the renewal fee directly through the app. For renewing your Ejari contract via the DLD website or app, it's AED 100 plus and AED 20 knowledge and innovation fee. If you choose to go through REST centers, the cost is AED 215, inclusive of V8. And there you have it. Renewing your Ejari doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the Dubai REST app, it's just a few taps away. Remember, staying updated with your Ejari contract is not just a requirement, it's a responsibility that ensures your rights and interests are protected. That's all for today's guide on renewing your Ejari. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and guides on navigating Dubai's real estate landscape. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.